Guys, so this video is kind of special because this time I'm talking, but this is my first time I'm talking about academics here. Like, usually I upload entertainment stuff, but this time I'm uploading something related to academics. So I recently finished my 12th grade and I have given my 12th exam, and just a few months back I got my 12th marks card. So I'm a Karnataka State Board student, and I meant because I have graduated now. So this is my 12th marks card where I have gotten, let's say I have got 522 out of 600, which is like 87%, and it comes in a distinction category. And this is and the and to make things best meant to sorry not best to make things better, anybody can get these marks. You don't have to be a genius to get such marks. In fact if you use a few methods which I'm going to explain in this video, you can get you can get you could even get more than the marks I have got, provided you follow the steps I'm going to explain you in this video. So here are methods on how to score well in 12th board exams. This can apply to any field, be it science, commerce or arts. You don't need to be a science student to apply such methods. You can be of any field to apply these methods. So the first method is read NCERT books often. So if you're in 11th and 12th, most of the questions are going to come from NCERT books. Yeah, and in your NCERT, no matter what field you're in, you will always have diagrams, charts, and maps. So this is for the core subjects I'm telling. This is for the core subjects, like whatever stream you have chosen, the core subjects. For the core subjects, NCERT is a must. Like, you should use NCERT a lot. Like, you should read it regularly, like revision again and again. You should read the NCERT, and also you should go through the diagrams and charts and the maps given in the NCERT books, because at least one question will come from that, where you have to draw a diagram or you have to explain a chart. And the second tip for languages, if you're aiming to get good marks in languages, you have to read from the prescribed textbook or watch videos on the stories which are there in the textbook. And if you have grammar, you have to see many examples of letters and creative writing. This is for creative writing. So for 11th and 12th, if you're a CBSE or ISC student, you may be having a NCERT or your own prescribed textbook. Since I was in Karnataka State Board, I had a prescribed textbook which was given by the Karnataka government. So to get good marks, in language, you need to go through the stories given in the textbook, and you have to go through the grammar also given in the textbook. In case you're not understanding the story well, or you want to improve your understanding of the story, you can watch videos on the stories. And to improve your creative writing and grammar, you can see many examples of letter writing and creative writing.